the Laser Physics Center, ETI, Gumboots, three-dimensional space creation in brain research, winners of international Olympiads, the renaissance of the Rubik's Cube. Today's Hungarian higher education and science can boast of globally recognized high-standard results. And not without cause, Hungarians are proud of their dozen Nobel Prize winners, which, considering the size of the country, is the highest proportion in the world. Today, the influence of these experts defines the professional identity and traditions of Hungarian universities and research institutes. The prestige of science amongst Hungarians in general is very high. Scientific and mathematical education in Hungarian secondary schools has raised numerous world-famous experts. Education and research at Hungarian universities has always been open to the world. In the past, Hungarian agrarian education and civil engineering were popular among the youth of developing countries. Nowadays, many Western European students study at faculties of medicine. According to the president of the Semmelweis University of Budapest, the balance between a high-level scientific background and the practical character of Hungarian medical training is the feature that makes education here so appealing for German and Norwegian healthcare professionals. University departments and research institutes both operate as parts of the international scientific network. They participate in numerous cooperative research projects, including joint European Union projects, and many Hungarian researchers work as guest professors at top Western universities and research institutes. At the same time, Hungarian universities also have to be competitive on the international scientific stage. For this reason, Hungarian universities and the Hungarian Academy of Sciences, or HAS, engaged in a joint initiative resulting in Parliament accepting a law in 2009 which provided a basis for the launch of the Hungarian Research University Program. The scientific capacity of universities was measured through various tenders, and development programs were worked out. Based on detailed professional reviews, an independent committee made recommendations for the adjudication of the title Research University, Elite University, as announced by the government in April 2010. 5 universities were awarded this title. Among them, 3 universities from Budapest, ELTE, Eötvös Loránd University, Semmelweis University, and BME, the Budapest University of Technology and Economics, as well as 2 freshwater colleges, the universities of Szeged and Debrecen. Moreover, the 5 institutions that were awarded the Outstanding University title are the University of Pécs, the University of Miskolc, the Corvinus University of Budapest, the Széchenyi University, and the Szent István University. They were able to benefit from tender funding from European Union sources. Naturally, research excellence does not depend on titles. The most important thing is that the institutions and their departments must be able to offer an appealing research environment and exciting challenges for all research generations. Commercial partnerships represent a significant proportion of the financing of university research, particularly in the fields of medical research, technological development, information technology, material sciences, chemistry, healthcare research, agriculture, and genetics. The tensions typical of the Western world's universities are present in Hungarian higher education as well. Financing can't keep pace with the growing number of students. The competitiveness of the research infrastructure is exceptionally money-consuming. Researchers are forced to take on more and more external projects, often at the expense of basic research. The administration of tenders is proliferating, and the reconciliation of educational and research tasks is often unsuccessful. Taking all this into account, Hungarian universities have to maintain a favorable position in the global scientific competition for the best professors, students, and for funds as well. This is one of the reasons the research institution network of the Hungarian Academy of Sciences is uniquely valuable. Nearly 3,000 researchers are working in 40 research institutions and in 70 academic research groups operating in universities, covering almost all fields of contemporary science. Here, half of the researchers are under the age of 40, and the Academy urges the most prominent, internationally recognized young Hungarian researchers to continue their work in domestic universities and research institutes. The Academy's main purpose is the improvement of the standard of excellence in research, which is why the HAS's president played an important role in the launch of the Research University program. The leaders of Hungarian universities agree that research excellence can be competitive if decision makers are committed to the accentuated support of science. In order to achieve this, science has to demonstrate its curious spirit and importance to the public. The Encompass project, which was nominated for the EU's Descartes Award, succeeded in introducing the best Hungarian scholars to a wider audience, and the Descartes Award-winning Research Students Network brought secondary school students closer to science. Internationally recognized professors and scholars, infrastructure development, European university traditions, accessible knowledge capital for newer generations, research achievements that are useful for the economy and for society, and the maintenance and mediation of scientific culture. These are the key ideas behind the innovation of Hungarian research excellence.